Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to show us how to convert comma separated value or text to table or column. Once you get that, you copy the particular text to Excel sheets. Just right click on one of the cells, then paste your text. You then move over to data on the menu bar. Under it you'll find text to columns. You click on it. It will take you to the delimiter, which by default has already been clicked. You then click next. After that, you click on the comma, which will help us to separate and give us our desired table. You then click next. Here we have it. Finally, you click on finish. This is our table. That easy and fast, so you don't need to go over typing it one after the other. This make your work easier for you to deliver and be productive. I hope you find this tip helpful. Like, subscribe and comment.